The word is, for a while,
go with that.
Ano lang tayo? Iisip tayo ng ating
word for today.
yes.
Is it place or food? The word is games. Okay. One more. New York.
It can be a place, a beach, a pool, part of the valley. Okay. Ready? Okay. This is the word. Yes.
Oh.
Ito na kayo mga dahil 1 point.
1 point, not you.
So, isa pa?
Siguro bago simulan, next natin kung sino naman yung next.
Oo, dapat may next po dito, ha? So, our next category is?
Yes, what this category is? Mabilis. Tama na yung ating pero.
You know this?
Oh, go.